Hi everyone, I'm back. Anyways, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to join parts together. The first thing you will need for this video is this plugin. The link is in the description. Once you have it downloaded and have Roblox Studio opened, you are ready to start. So the first thing you need to do is go to the plugins tab up the top and open the rig builder. You can use any rig, but I mainly use our 15 block rig. Now that you have a model, you can add anything you want to it. I'm going to add a sword. When you have completed the model, make sure you have named all the parts differently, otherwise it won't let you use the animation editor. Now open the plugin we downloaded at the beginning of this video and click on your rig. Once you have clicked it, you should be able to press continue in the plugin menu. Now it's time to rig it all together. So to rig, you have to click on the first part and then the part you want to attach to it. In this case, I want to attach the handle of my sword to the hand, so I'll click the hand first and then the handle. I'll repeat this process until the whole model is rigged. Now you can test if it worked by opening the animation editor and trying to make an animation. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this style of video by liking this video and subscribing, but the main thing I want you to do is send feedback in the comments. Let me know what kit you would like to see next, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.